You've heard the saying, first impressions are everything, and this couldn't be more true than with email marketing. When you create a welcome email that is delivered to your new subscribers' inbox as soon as they sign up to your list, you are introducing who you are, why you're the expert, and why they should trust you, why they should look out for your emails in their inbox in the future. So there's 5 things your welcome email needs to include to get the biggest bang for buck and to position you as the expert in your niche. Hello, I'm Kate Emiley and I'm a brand and content strategist, and I help small business owners just like you build their brands online. And email marketing is such an amazing way to build your brand, to connect with your potential clients and customers, because it has the highest return of investment of any marketing activity. Yep, it has a return of investment of about $36 for every $1 you spend. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty amazing to me, which is why email marketing is such a big part of my marketing strategy, as well as what I share with my students. What's one of the first things you need to tick off the list when getting started with email marketing? Creating a welcome email. And what I mean by a welcome email is as soon as someone subscribes to your email list, they will be sent an email automatically from your email software provider to their inbox. Now, this email is the highest opened email that you'll ever send, so you want to make sure it's really hitting that nail on the head about who you are, what you do, and why they need to look out for your emails in their inbox. So I want to share 5 things that your welcome email needs to include, as well as a template that you can literally copy and paste into your email provider. I will show you how to do that on Mailerlite, which is a platform I recommend to my clients. So let's dive in. Number 1 is introduce yourself and why you're the expert. Really get clear on what it is that you can do to help them and how working with you or buying into your products and services is really going to change their lives in some way. Number 2 is get personal. Share a little insight into who you are behind the scenes and what you love, what you like to do. Keep this super brief and minimal, but this is a nice one to help you to really break that barrier down and create a bit of relatability. Number 3 is share why you do what you do. So the reason why you started your business, maybe you've been through a struggle or a pain point, and you can actually show your client how you've solved that problem and how they can do it too. Or maybe you've got all this experience or knowledge under your belt. Share those insights to position yourself as an expert and as a trusted resource. Number 4 is what can they expect? What can your subscribers expect from your email newsletters moving forward? Are you sending them fortnightly? Are you sending them weekly? Are you going to be sending tips and strategies, or are you going to be sending event invites? Get clear on what your newsletter is going to look like and share a little bit of insight with that new subscriber as to what they can expect moving forward, so they can look out for your emails in their inbox and know what they're going to be about. And number 5 is to share a call to action. This call to action might be to visit your services on your website, it might be to follow you on Instagram, or it might be to join a Facebook group that you have. Whatever it is, create one call to action. Don't overwhelm this welcome email with a million different things your new subscriber could do. Just give them one thing you'd like them to do next, the best way for them to interact with you, the best way for them to learn from you, or to really further their knowledge on what it is you do and why you are going to be the one to help them solve their pain point. So when you download my Email Like a Boss welcome email template, this is totally free for you to download. I just give a little intro about email marketing and then an email anatomy diagram giving you some really key points for things to look out for in your next email newsletter. And then I give you your welcome email template. So as you can see, there's these little red sections here, which you'll need to change because unless your name's Kate, then this isn't going to be relevant. All these red sections are just giving you a bit of an example of what I would include for a client. And you can change them to whatever suits your business. So all you need to do to put this into your email marketing platform is you literally just copy this. So highlight it, right click, copy, and then go to your email marketing platform. I'm just showing you what it looks like in Mailerlite. If you haven't chosen a platform already, I would recommend Mailerlite, especially for service-based businesses. So click create, and then create automation, and then select a trigger, which is when the subscriber joins a group. So because we haven't created a group yet, this is a brand new account, a trial account. So you just click create new, and then we'll create a group called newsletter. Save. So when subscriber joins group newsletter, and then we click plus, and then we go email, and then click on here. Okay, so I wouldn't put anything in the name section. Subject might be welcome to my newsletter, or it might be something way more exciting than that. Welcome to my inner circle. And who's it from? Make sure you include your name or your brand name there. A sender email, so I like to use a more generic email, not my personal business email. So I've got a hello@Kate Emiley email, and then we click on design. Okay, so there is a template gallery inside Mailerlite, but these are not for the free plan because this is just a test account. I'm only using the free plan. So if you are just starting out and you want to use the free plan, unfortunately none of these templates are going to be available. So we'll click on start from scratch, and we'll do drag and drop editor. Okay, so you add your logo here. So we'll just change that. And then you can put your URL there. So, all right, I would let's delete all this junk here. It's fine. All right. So delete that one as well. And then we'll just paste the newsletter, the welcome email template here. And we won't want it centered, so we'll change that. Align left. All right. So then you got to go through and edit each of these. So make sure that the brackets are gone. So I'm Kate, excited to have you here. If you're new to my world, you'll be most likely to find me down at my local cafe sipping a long black while creating epic content that's educational but far from boring. So this is adding that little personal element about my personality and then what I do. So it's in a simple way, it's really conversational, it's really clear, and it's easy to understand. There's something so damn fulfilling about being able to share my whatever it is that you share, your experience, your knowledge, and build a community of whatever it is, whoever your ideal client is. So purpose-led business owners, let's face it, helping small business owners just like you is what light me up. So this is your purpose. This is why you do what you do. Luckily for you, that means I've got a bunch of whatever you're going to be sharing in your newsletter, which we talked about, insider tips, tricks, and strategies that I'll be sharing in my weekly newsletter to help you, whatever it is that you're helping them do. Plus you'll be the first to know about my programs, courses, and free workshops. So here you can share the things that you'll be selling to them. So if you have an online coaching program, or you have online courses, or you offer freelance work, you can add that in there, which I can't wait to share with you really soon. But in the meantime, follow me on Instagram or subscribe to my channel. So add these as links. So to add a link, you can just you just highlight the text and then go link and insert link and then go. Okay, so that will link to my YouTube channel. Do you know what? Subscriber name. Okay, so this is how you do it. So I'll just delete that for now. Do you know what? And then go. So sometimes it says personalization. Here it says variable. So you go for name, and then it'll add their name in there. So this tiny little bit of code will then create almost like a mail merge with your list and work out what their name was. Make sure there's a space after that as well. I think you'll make a great team, you and me. I can't wait to help you turn whatever it is that you'll be doing into reality. Blah, blah, blah. P.S. if you're struggling to create content for your brand, my brand storytelling guide might be just what you need. So I can add a link to that as well there. I hope you love this video and you're gonna download my welcome email template. That link is below and you can literally copy and paste this into your email software provider. And I've taken all the hard work out so you can just change those little red annotations to something that's specific to your business and away you go. How easy is that? So go download that one now, but otherwise I'll be back here with another video I know you're gonna love. So until then, bye for now.